Ever felt the weight of the world pressing down on your shoulders, the chaos of life becoming a bit too much? Perhaps what you need is a moment of stillness, a slice of tranquility in the midst of the whirlwind. So consider for a moment the practice of meditation. It offers a respite, a sanctuary where your mind can rest, recharge, and refocus. Meditation, in its simplest form, is the process of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It's a practice that's been around for centuries, crossing different cultures and religions, helping countless individuals find inner peace and clarity. To begin your journey into meditation, find a quiet location free from distractions. This could be a corner of your room, a peaceful garden, or even a secluded beach. The important thing is that it's a place where you can sit comfortably for a few minutes without being disturbed. Next, decide on a time that suits your schedule. Early in the morning or late in the evening often work best, as these are typically the quietest parts of the day. However, any time that allows you to relax and focus without interruption will suffice. Having found your spot and your time, sit comfortably. You don't need to adopt any specific posture or position. Simply sit in a way that keeps you alert yet relaxed. You could sit on a chair, cross-legged on the floor, or even lie down if that's what feels best. Now, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Feel the air fill your lungs and then slowly leave your body. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and exits your nostrils. This focus on your breath serves as an anchor, helping to keep your mind from wandering too far. As you focus on your breath, thoughts will inevitably come and go. Don't fight them or push them away. Instead, acknowledge them and then gently bring your focus back to your breath. This is the essence of meditation. Not the absence of thoughts, but the ability to remain undisturbed by them. Gradually, try to extend the duration of your meditation. Start with just a couple of minutes each day, then gradually increase the time as your comfort with the practice grows. In summary, learning to meditate involves a few key steps: finding a quiet location, deciding on a suitable time, sitting comfortably, focusing on your breath, and gradually increasing the duration of your meditation. But remember, meditation is not about achieving a certain state or experiencing something particular. It's a journey of self-discovery, of learning to be present and at peace with the moment, regardless of what it brings. It's an age-old practice that invites us to pause, breathe, and reconnect with ourselves amidst the rush of everyday life. So if you ever find yourself feeling overwhelmed, consider taking a moment to meditate. It might just be the peaceful oasis you're looking for.